Hey Katie, you still want to hang out after football practice?
Yeah, for sure.
Cool.
I don't want to hang out with your friends from football.
You want the big B man to yourself?
I don't like how your friends act. They are mean and push people around. Did you see what they wrote on your Facebook?
You mean about those guys who were playing chess in the library?
Are you okay with them posting things they made up about you? I mean, they said you were calling those guys some pretty mean names, spitting on their lunch, and pushing them around.
Well,
You didn't do that stuff, did you?
it was funny, and those geeks don't mind.
Are you kidding me? Of course they mind.
Katie, calm down. It's not that big of a deal. I thought you'd be happy.
You thought I'd be happy that you are a bully and mean?
I'm not a bully. I was just proving that I'm cool, so people respect me and like me.
They'll pretend they like you out of fear.
Katie, it's not like that. Those guys are used to it.
No one should be used to being treated like that. I thought you were different, Brent.
Don't you want to be cool?
Not if I have to be mean and cruel to be cool.
You know how it is around here. Either you get pushed around, or you push people around.
So you decided to push people around. Who made you and your friends the cool police?
Are you trying to be funny?
No, I'm just trying to figure out why you think that you have the right to judge anyone on how they look, or on their athletic abilities, or on how they dress, or on where they are from.
Katie, I'm not trying to judge anyone. I just know how it's always been around here, and I don't want to be pushed around.
Don't you think that if you didn't act like that, then others may not act that way too?
Just drop it.
Yeah, okay, Brent.
So I'll see you after football?
Actually, no. I don't want to be friends with someone who thinks it's okay to be mean to others just so they are cool.
Whatever, it's your loss. When you come to your senses, who knows if the big B man will still be single?
I'll take that chance.